Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Have you ever noticed your iPhone's dynamic island stuck on a notification, refusing to disappear no matter what you do? It's frustrating, but don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. First, let's understand what's happening. The dynamic island is designed to display live notifications, ongoing activities, and alerts in a sleek, interactive way. Sometimes due to a minor software glitch or an app misbehaving, the notification gets stuck and won't go away. This is not a hardware problem. It's something we can fix in a few simple steps. Step 1, close the app causing the stuck notification. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access the app switcher. Find the app showing the notification and swipe it away, then reopen the app. Often, this simple reset resolves the issue instantly. Step 2, restart your iPhone. A quick restart clears temporary glitches in the system. Hold the side button and either volume button until the slide to power off option appears. Turn your iPhone off, wait a few seconds, and then power it back on. You'll be surprised how often this clears a stuck dynamic island. Step 3, check for iOS updates. Apple frequently releases fixes for bugs like this. Go to Settings, General Software Update, and make sure your device is running the latest version. Updating not only improves performance, but also prevents future glitches. Step 4, reset all settings if the problem persists. Go to Settings, General, P-Transfer, or Reset iPhone, reset all settings. Don't worry, this won't erase your data, but it will reset system settings that could be causing the notification to get stuck. Finally, if none of these solutions work, it's time to contact Apple support. Sometimes the issue is app-specific, and developers or Apple can provide a permanent fix. And there you have it, 4 proven methods to fix a stuck dynamic island notification. Try them one by one, and your dynamic island will be smooth and responsive again in no time. Have a good day.